It took some time to complete the assembly. Unfortunately, I rushed with grinding and coating and still needed to use some putty to cover damages, despite first layer of varnish stain. I managed to coat everything on the outside later. The interiors does not need to be coated. I got some problems when placing section because of uneven ground. I left it as is for the spring 2025. We'll align horizontally all sections and then fix to the ground once again. I will also have to move the fence sections closer to the balcony railing. I will use some steel hooks and 3D printed spacers.